Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing what I received in my FabFitFun box for summer 2020 along with the add-ons that I purchased. I'm going to add up the total cost of all the items in the box, the total retail price, and compare it to the price that I paid for the entire box just to see how much we actually saved. So stay tuned for that at the end of the video so you can see what kind of savings you get by using this subscription box. Also, this is not a sponsored video. I am not an affiliate with FabFitFun, and all of these opinions are my own. Before I dive into the box, I just want to mention a few facts about FabFitFun. If you don't already know what it is a subscription box that you can get, which you receive seasonally. So you would get them 4 times a year. They have a box for spring, summer, fall, and winter, and you have 2 membership options that you can choose from. You can have an annual membership with them, or you can just subscribe by the season. If you do the annual membership, then you do save a little bit because you're paying for all 4 boxes up front. Whereas if you do the seasonal membership, then you're paying a little bit more. I believe it's $49.99 US per box. I live in Canada, so I can do the conversion for you guys later and put it up on the screen. But personally, I do the yearly subscription just because you do save a little bit of money, and I've been getting them for a while now and I know that I love them, so I've just stuck to the yearly membership. I am super excited to open the box. I have not looked inside yet, and I'm literally filming this video at 10 p.m. at night because I am dying to see what I got. Now with FabFitFun, you can customize a few of the items in your box, not all of them, but a few of them. But I honestly feel like I did it so long ago that I don't actually remember what is in my box. So I think we should go ahead and get started. So this is the box here. This is the summer 2020 box. Each season that you receive a box, the design on the outside of the box will be different. So this is the summer 2020 design. As you can see in the bottom corner, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this season they have partnered with the Special Olympics. And so there's usually a magazine that comes in every box that touches a little bit on what they've done with their partnership. So without further ado, because I feel like I have been talking for so long, I'm gonna go ahead and open this and share with you guys what I got. And then I also have a few stuff on the side, which is the add-ons that I mentioned. So with your subscription, you get access to a bunch of different discounted items, and so I have those over here as well. Obviously I know what they are, and they come separate from the box, as in they don't come inside the box, but they come in one big box, if that makes sense. They all come in one big box, but the add-ons are packaged separately. So it looks like the first item we have is a brow pencil. So this is by WINKY Luxe. It's called Uni Brow. I'm going to take it out of the packaging. It says it's a universal brow pencil, so I think that means that it's just a universal shade. I'm not really sure how that works because I feel like everyone has a different brow color, but they have a little image here on the side showing like 3 different skin tones. I'm guessing this is just sort of like a medium brown color that claims to work on anybody's brows. The packaging is really nice. I'm just gonna go ahead and try it on the back of my hand because I'm really curious as to what color this is because it says it's universal. So let's see. Oh wow. I mean, it's definitely going to work in my brows, but I do have, darker brown brows, but I could see this working with really any brow. Like I didn't press too hard, and that's sort of the color that it came out, but I feel like if I pressed harder, it gets darker. So I can see why it would be called like a universal brow pencil. Like that one I pressed pretty hard, and then this one I didn't press too hard, and it almost is like a different shade of brown. So that's really nice. I really like it. It's like dry, and it's not super waxy or like it doesn't feel like it would move around is what I'm trying to say. It's dry, and I feel like it would just stay in place. Like, oh wow, actually if you look at that, I'm just like completely rubbing it, and it's not really coming off. This product retails for $16 US, and that is product number 1. Right, moving on to the second product. I am going to grab this. So this looks like a hand cream in a nice little tube. It is in the scent Coconut Verbena, so super summery. It looks like it's by a company called SPONGELLE. So it says to have shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. It smells amazing. It really smells like summer. Like, this scent reminds me of like being on vacation in the summer, being at a resort. So I've just got it on the back of my hand. Feels really nice. Moisturizing. Oh my god. Oh, it smells so good. This is going to be my summer lotion. Super moisturizing. My hand feels really nice. This hand cream retails for $18 US, so that is item number 2. This is a foot cream by Cali Cosmetics. It has menthol in it, and it looks like it smells like blood oranges. Yeah, it says it has a combination of menthol and olive oil and helps heal and hydrate your feet. So I'm not a huge foot cream person, but it would be nice to try out now that it's summer, especially because of quarantine and everything that has been going on. I haven't been able to go get my nails done or get a pedicure, and so I think this might be a nice treat. So this product retails for $24 US, and that is item number 3. Alright, moving on to item number 4. I think this is one of the items that I actually picked in my customization just because it looks familiar, but this is the HydroPeptide Moisture Reset Facial Oil. It says it is anti-wrinkle and it restores. So let's take a look. It says it has flower extracts, avocado and pumpkin oil, and rice bran extract. So it says to gently swirl the bottle before using. Use the dropper to dispense 3 to 5 drops in your hand. Use a gentle sweeping and patting motion to apply all over face and neck. May be used in AM and PM, and it says to follow up with another mask or serum or moisturizer. So I'm just gonna try this again on the back of my hand just to see what it feels like. Just do a drop. Feels really nice. I don't know if you guys can see it. So this product actually retails for $120, and that is item number 4. So this box is definitely already more than what I have paid for it. All right, so moving on to item number 5, we have this Grace and Stella Hyaluronic Acid. I'm just gonna open this up. I think this was one of the other things that I got to choose in my customization because I actually don't have any hyaluronic acid and I have been dying to try it. And it's really funny because on the inside of the box it says, "Good choice." I know. So this is the bottle. It is so cute. This is by Grace and Stella. So let's take a look. This is a hyaluronic acid hydrating serum, and looks like it's in a little pump form. Why isn't this working? There we go. All right, so there it is there. Feels really nice. Oh wow. Very moisturizing. I will let you guys know on my Instagram if I like it. This product retails for $25 US, and that is product number 5. All right, so moving on to item number 6. We have this cute little Tom's case, and it feels like there's sunglasses in here, and I'm thinking back now and I think I chose these as well from a few of the options that I had. Oh, these are so cute. They are like a very typical cat eye, and they have a matte frame. And actually at the top here it says "Give Sight." So these are by Tom's, and they came with a little card. It says 285 million people worldwide are blind or visually impaired, and 80% of them don't have to be. That is why Tom's is partnering with FABFITFUN to build a vision center in South Asia. So I believe these are in collaboration with that. So that is amazing. These retail for $58 US. That is item number 6. That was a lot of packaging. This is the next item. It is a Terre Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. I'm gonna take it out of the box. Ooh, it's spilled. It is wet. So I'm gonna have to get something to wipe this.
Eternity later.
Okay, I have dealt with my mess. I took the lid off just to see what the hell was going on, and it looks like just like this part of the bottle isn't sitting properly. I don't know if you can see, it's like up on one side and down on one side, so I think it leaked from under there. But anyways, it's fine. It's not that big of a mess. This smells really nice. It's really refreshing, and it's an aloe and tea tree toner. The box says it's anti-aging, and it's supposed to reveal your most beautiful complexion with this genius formula of aloe and tea tree. It soothes and tones skin and corrects imperfections and sloughs away dead skin cells to give you a fresh face and radiant glow. So this retails for $54 US, and this is item number 7. All right, so I think this is the last item in our box, and this looks like a bag. This is by Draper James, and it's called the Everyday Straw Bag. This is so cute. So it opens up like that and has a little bit of lining inside, and then has this like magnetic button to close it and a little handle with this cute little scarf. This is so nice. I would think it's perfect for summer and really like durable and well made. So I think this is a great thing to give in a summer box. The retail price for this bag is $75 US, and that is our last item in the box. So totaling up all 8 items that I received in this box, the total retail price is $390 worth of items, and I got them for less than $50 US. So I would say that is an amazing steal. It's definitely worth your money. All right, so moving on to the add-ons that I purchased. I purchased 3 different add-ons, and I'm gonna share them with you first and then go over the pricing and how much of a discount I got on all of these items. So first up, I got this RODIAL Collagen Drops. It's 30% collagen drops, and actually I was introduced to this brand by FABFITFUN. In one of my previous boxes, I got the RODIAL soft focus drops. I will link them down below, but they're basically drops that like add a glow to your skin, and I like to put it underneath my makeup, and it gives like a nice dewy effect. So I did look up the RODIAL brand after using that, and I actually think they have a lot of good reviews. And so I saw these collagen drops on the add-ons, and they had a significant discount in their pricing. So originally these drops are $89 US, and I got them for $29. So that is $60 off the original price because I was a FABFITFUN member. I tried to look up a few reviews on these drops before purchasing them, but I honestly can't find too much online apart from written reviews. I haven't seen any videos on it. So comment below if you want me to make a video on this. I can test it out for a week and do a before and after if you guys would like. So let me know if you are interested in that. Moving on to the second add-on that I got, which is this bundle of Too Faced products. So there are 2 products in here. The first one is the Ultra Replenishing Hydrating Serum, and then the second one is the Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. So I obviously love Too Faced. I have the Hangover Primer, which is the same line as this, and I absolutely love it because I have dry skin and that primer is extremely hydrating. So I thought that I would love the other stuff in the Hangover line. So this is the serum that I got. And then this is the primer and setting spray that I got. So it's it's actually a 3-in-1. And so both of these together I paid $19 for, which if you have ever bought Too Faced or just walked into Sephora, you know that $19 for both of these products is an extreme steal. the regular price for these two full-size products. So the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Setting Spray, so this one is currently $42 on the Sephora website, and that is for the 4-ounce size, which is exactly what I have. So 4 ounces of this, $42. And then the serum that I have is in 0.98 fluid ounces. So let me just see if I can find it on the Sephora website. So this size of the serum is currently $49 on the Sephora website. So I paid $19 for both of these combined, and that is because I am a FabFitFun member and I had access to the add-ons. So the last thing that I bought for add-ons was this spray. So this is the Sleep Together Calming Spray, and it is by This Works. So the reason that I got this, and I was super excited to see it in the add-ons, is because I actually got a sample size of this spray, and I can't remember where I got it from. I think it may have been one of the Ipsy bags that I get. I had a really mini sample size of this that I had gotten in one of these goodie bags, and I absolutely fell in love with it. I used that mini sample to death. I think it was gone within like 3 days. And then I looked up the original price for this, and let me tell you, it is not pretty. So for 75 milliliters of this spray, the original price for this is $34. I am not looking to spend $34 on a pillow spray. I just don't think $34 justifies this. So I saw it in the add-ons, and I actually only ended up paying $9 for this, and that is way more in my lane. So I definitely went ahead and picked it up. There's actually a lot in here, so I do think this is gonna last me at least a couple months. But basically what I like to do is I just spray it on my pillow, and I spray it right at the top of the blanket, like the part of the blanket that's closest to my face. And I just find it so soothing and so calming for when I fall asleep. I think if I see it in the next add-on, I'm probably gonna stock up on a second bottle because I seriously love this stuff. Anyways, that is all for my add-ons and for everything that I got in my box. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that this helped you guys if you're considering getting the FabFitFun box. They also have a starter box that you can try out, and if you know someone who is already subscribed to FabFitFun, then they usually have a coupon code or a link that they can send you where you can actually get a free starter box. I'm not sure what I have left in terms of perks that I can give away, because I have given some to a few friends, but if I do have any additional links or codes, I will leave them down in the description box below, and please feel free to use them. Just first come, first serve. I'm not sure how many people it's good for, but if I do have anything, I will leave it in the description box below. Comment below if you would like to see what I end up getting in my fall 2020 box. I can also do a quick Instagram story for when I'm actually doing the customization, so you guys can see what I have to choose from and what I end up picking, so maybe a few sneak peeks for the fall 2020 box. And if you liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to go and check out my Instagram if you guys want to be more involved in what kind of videos I make. I occasionally will post on my story and have polls for what you guys want to see next, so if you do follow me on Instagram, then you can have a say in what you see here on my channel. And of course, if you are not already subscribed, then please go ahead and hit that button below, and as well, please click the bell notification so that you get notified when I upload my next video. It would absolutely mean the world to me. Also, if you just want to say hi, please leave a comment down below. I am here to build a community on YouTube, and I would love to get to know you. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!